Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to disable or deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. So, if you deactivate or disable your Instagram account temporarily, your photos, your profile, your comments, and also your likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. If you have been sure to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, let's go to the tutorial. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's open Instagram apps. After opening Instagram apps, just tap your profile picture. Here you can see on the top right corner there is 3-dot line menu and then tap it. Just tap settings. In the settings, just tap help. In the help, you can just tap help center. We are directed to help center website. Here you can see on the top right corner there is 3-dot line menu and you can just tap this. In this menu you can see there are some options here and you can choose manage your account. And this manage your account, tap delete your account. And in this page delete your account, choose how do I delete my Instagram account. And here just scroll down and then tap delete your account. Delete your account. If you want to break from Instagram, you can temporarily disable your account instead of deleting it. Your profile won't appear on Instagram while you are away. There are two options here. The first is to disable or deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. And the second option is to delete your Instagram account permanently. So, in this tutorial, I will tell you how to disable or deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. So, just tap temporarily disable. And here, temporarily disable your account. You can disable your account instead of deleting it. This means your account will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. So, after disabling your account will be hidden and cannot be searched. All of your data, include profile, posts, comments, and also likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. And here, you can fill form why are you disabling your accounts. You can choose what is the reason why do you want to disable your account. There are some reasons here and you can choose one of them. I want to choose something else. To continue, please re-enter your password. Just fill your password here and then after filling the password, just tap temporarily disable account. After tapping temporarily disable account, your Instagram account will be deactivated and your profile, posts, comments, and likes and everything about your account will be hidden until you logging back into Instagram. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, if you like this tutorial, please give a like and also share this video to your friends who need this information. And if you have not subscribed Fauhow channel, now please smash the red button and also don't forget to turn on notifications so if I upload new videos about social media tutorial, you will be the first person I notify. Thank you. Bye bye.